Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to add bullets or numbering in MS Word document. So to insert numbering or bullet number, you can see here in Home tab, there is the option. You can click this and see here is different option available. You can choose dot, circle, square or tick, and these are the options you can use as bullets. So to insert these bullets, first you have to select the text. So I am going to select this text and you can see there are several paragraphs. So when I will click this, and you can see as my cursor move to this circle, it appears before every paragraph. Similarly, if I will move the cursor to circle, it is showing the preview that how the circle will appear. And similarly, circle and remaining shapes, you can see this. So if I would click on this, the bullets are added here. You can see the bullets are added. So this is how you can add bullets in MS Word. So viewers, if you want to add numbering, you would have to click on this numbering, and here you can see different options. You can add alphabets, you can add Roman counting, you can add counting. So there are different options available from which you can select, and as I am selecting this, you can see there is the numbering, and if I would select Roman numbering, then it has converted, then the Roman numbering has appeared here. So this is how you can insert numbering and bullets in MS Word. Hope you have liked this video. Please share it, and in the end, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.